this project you need an NE555 timer IC. You need two LEDs of different colors. This one is red, this one is white. You need two 10 kilo ohm resistors. This 10 kilo ohm resistors. You need some capacitors. For instance, I have 100 eurofarad, 10 eurofarad capacitor. I have 6.8 eurofarad capacitor. I have 47 eurofarad capacitor. And I have 100 eurofarad capacitor. And I have 22 eurofarad capacitor. You also need some jumpers doing the project, and you need a power supply. I'm using my mobile charger, 5 volts power supply. So let's build it. You plug in your NE555 timer IC into the breadboard. You have to short pin number 4 and pin number 8. You also have to short pin number 2 and pin number 6 with the 55 timer IC. Then you take 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect it to pin 8, the 55 timer IC, and connect it to pin 7 of the 55 timer IC. Then use another 10 kilo ohm resistor, connect it to pin 6 of 55 timer IC and pin 7 of 55 timer IC. Now connect your LEDs. The first one, this one is the red one. The positive is connected to pin number 4 and pin number 3. And the second one should be connected to pin number 3 and pin number 1. The positive of the LED should be on pin number 3 and the negative should be on pin number 1. Then we have to connect the cables of the power supplies. This one is for the positive, it should go to the pin number 8. And this one is the ground, it should go to the pin number 1. You can see now, if I plug in my power supply, the LEDs are not blinking, but what controls the blinking time is this capacitors. So I have to plug in the negative of the capacitor should go to pin number 1 to the ground, and the positive should go to pin number 2. You can see, now I plug in my capacitor, the LEDs are now blinking. Let me change the capacitor and see what happens. Now I'm using in 20, this one was 6.8 eurofarad capacitor. Now I'm using a 100 eurofarad capacitor. The negative should go to pin number 1 and the positive to pin number 2. And you can see they are now blinking. Now let me change the capacitor. This one was 6.8, this one is 10. Now let me use 22 eurofarad capacitor. You can see it's now blinking. Let me change the capacitor. This one is 47 eurofarad capacitor. You can see they're now blinking, but it is lower rate. Let me put this 100 eurofarad capacitor. So you can control the time the LEDs will be blinking using the capacitor. The capacitor will determine if the LED will be blinking fast or slow. So the bigger the capacitor, the slower the blinking time. Like this. See, they're exchanging, they're blinking. Okay, thank you.